The Jamaica 4-H Clubs has rolled out an agri-entrepreneurial training program to assist 510 young people develop the skills to start their own businesses. Dubbed the Rural Youth Economic Empowerment Program RYEEP, it will run for 3 years and target young people between the ages of 18 and 30 in rural communities across the island. Executive Director of the Jamaica 4-H Clubs, Dr. Arnold says RYEEP aims to reduce unemployment among youth through the promotion of businesses in agriculture. The first phase started in November 2016 at the 4-H Training and Production Center at Denby in Clarendon. This will end in July 2017.
We will be taking the first set of 170 youngsters drawn from 13 parishes from rural Jamaica, and we will take them through an entrepreneurial program. And we are going to be having the finest people in this country who will be providing them with that cradling, so we will get them over the challenging part of business development. Once they have demonstrated a readiness for business, the Jamaica 4-H Clubs will provide them with the venture inputs to start their own businesses.
Among the training partners are the Heart Trust NTA and the National Youth Service NYS. They will engage participants in areas such as personal development, business development and management, financial literacy, and provision for startup capital. The program will also build capacity in information technology, technical training for specific areas, and skills to access and capitalize on business opportunities in the agriculture sector.
The entrepreneurial aspect of the program was actually developed by Heart NYS and the 4-H Club. The NYS developed a level 1, a 101 training program in entrepreneurship. Heart came on board and they have an established model. And what we did was we brought both models together to develop this unique model. At the end of it, they will get units of competence from Heart Trust NTA.
We spoke with one of the trainers, Joan Jonas, about her approach to the program.
What I'll be doing is, initially, we're going to be speaking with the young persons, trying to get from them their interest in entrepreneurship. If it is that they're interested in going forward, then we're going to go have a full-blown session with them where we will instruct them as to how to identify business opportunities, how to actually go about doing your market research to see whether or not that business is feasible. And in starting the business, then we're going to be providing coaching. So we're going to be holding their hands. We're going to be helping them to prepare business plans. And then from the business plan stage, we're going to actually have them mapping out that business to start that business. At the end of it all, they should have a registered business.
Through the RYEEP program, we are mobilizing our young persons, well, a percentage of our young persons, to have them engage in this program on a long-term basis.
So how can persons access the program? Dr. Blake explains.
The selection for participation in this program is done on many levels. In fact, the NYS, 4-H Club, churches, community groups, they're all out there in the field. They recognize persons who have an interest in entrepreneurship, especially agricultural entrepreneurship, and they could direct them to either NYS or 4-H offices. There is an application form that is completed. It is also verified by a justice of the peace or a public notary figure. And that comes in, we do the analysis, and we select our cohort.
The Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries has endorsed the Rural Youth Economic and Empowerment Program, RYEEP, saying it provides young people with opportunities for self-actualization and economic growth.
Our future as a nation can only be safeguarded if we equip our young people today with the tools and skills necessary to build and grow Jamaica for future posterity, for our future posterity and prosperity.
The initial projection for the RYEEP program was $120 million, targeting 3,000 young persons. $60 million have been put up front by the Development Bank of Jamaica, the National Youth Service and the Jamaica 4-H Clubs to kickstart the program. But Dr. Blake is making an appeal for more financial support to reach the remaining 2,490 youngsters.
And we are actively seeking partnership as we roll throughout the 3 years, so that there are many people in corporate Jamaica who want to come on to ensure we get to where we plan, which is 120 million.
And the participants are looking forward to the opportunities to be had from the program.
I always wanted to be an entrepreneur, and I guess this will be a good program to venture into that world.
I'm going to pursue bee rearing, and I'm looking forward to branch off on any other activities or employment which I can go about. Trying to gain as much as I possibly can from this training exercise.
Led by this administration, Jamaica is serious about our commitment to economic growth and job creation. And in that regard, our young people must be part of the revolution and the new vision to make this country thrive and grow and increase in beauty and prosperity.